found my love in Avalon, beside the bay. I left my love in Avalon and sailed away. I dream of her and Avalon from dusk till dawn, and so I think I'll travel on to Avalon.
All for Chester Morris.
Avast there! Stop it! Stop firing those little shots. All the big shots are here. You know, 100 years ago, Catalina used to be the hangout for some of the most notorious pirates that ever scuttled a ship. But nowadays, it's the rendezvous for many of our Hollywood friends who scuttle over here in their yachts to enjoy a little bit of up-to-date buccaneering. Randolph Scott and Cary Grant, who claim that they came over in that little schooner because they can get more miles to the galleon. Captain Blood, Errol Flynn, and his charming wife, Lily Demeter. With a girl like Lily at home, no wonder the captain hates the sea. Come out from behind that chassis. Mickey Rooney, eh? When it comes to food, that kid is some stowaway. You're sure making old Captain Morris pretty hungry. Nice work. Well, friends, Eddie Peabody has just proven he's a small-time fisherman. But believe me, he's a two-time banjo player.
Ah, it's just a shrimp.
All right, mate. Anchors away.
Well, here's an invitation on 50 banjos. Are you listening? Here we go.
the screen, Marion Davies. Say, Miss Bruce, how about coming up here with me? All right, if you won't come up here, I'll come down there. Ah, here comes the bosun's mate now, Leon Errol. Well, what's on your mind, man? Ah, so that's it. A fine specimen of a sailor. There we go. You were seasick the last voyage. Speak up, man. I'll loosen your tongue for you. I'll give you one more chance. You speak up or by golly, you'll walk the plank. I know what you need. You need a nice ocean voyage with Commodore Johnny Downs and Betty Burgess.
That sounds like a music cue for smooth sailing.
We haven't got an awful lot, baby, but I've got you, baby, you've got me.
We can't afford to own a yacht, baby,
But just the same, baby, wait and see. We're gonna have smooth sailing,
like a ship at sea will merrily breeze along.
We're gonna have smooth sailing,
Where the breeze may blow, we'll merrily roll along.
Never mind about the weather, let it rain or let it shine.
Any time that we're together, it's $1 to a dime.
We're gonna have smooth sailing, on a happy tide, we'll merrily ride along.
Ship at sea will merrily breeze along, we're bound to have smooth sailing, smooth sailing. Though the wind may blow, we'll merrily roll along. Never mind about the weather, let it rain or let it shine. Anytime that we're together, it's $1 to a dime. We're gonna have smooth sailing, smooth sailing. On a happy tide, we'll merrily ride along.
That girl in the 5th boat was. Make a note of that.
Aye, aye, sir.
Say, some cabin boy you've turned out to be. What do you mean coming on deck in my dress uniform?
I wanted to see how it felt to be a captain, sir.
Yeah, well, how does it feel?
It itches.
Attention! Say, why only 2 medals on the uniform? What did you do with the other 38?
I didn't have time to get them off your pajamas, sir.
If you ever make another ocean voyage, it'll be in rags.
12th Street rags, sir?
Now, that's pretty clever of us, wasn't it? You see how we just got into that queue? 12th Street rag? Okay, Buddy Rogers, take it away. Now, that's what I like to see. That's beautiful. I'm glad to notice that one of my crew believes in efficiency. Congratulations. Atta boy, Sid. A string of pearls.
Yeah, I just found those in an oyster. Hey, I think you got one of my teeth with them.
Say, listen. I hire you to guard my treasure, not to steal it.
Yes, sir.
Pick up that gun. Let me see how you are with it. Attention! Present arms. Now listen, if you keep that up, the next order I'll give you will be farewell to arms.
That's a good joke. I
Yeah.
like it. Yeah.
Now listen, how do we stand on the books?
You mean the money?
Yeah.
Well, we got about $9,846,340.52.
Good.
Yeah, and I got a couple of nickels in here if you want them.
Splendid, splendid silvers.
Yes,
As
sir.
Lee Tracy says, now we're in the money.
Hey, that's a nice way you got in that cue, Chester.
Oh, thanks, Sid.
We're in the money. We're in the money. We've got a lot of what it takes to get along. We're in the money. The skies are sunny. Old man depression, you are through. You've done us wrong.
We never see a headline about a bread line today.
And when you see the landlord, we look that guy right in the eye. We're in the money. Come on, my honey. Let's spend it, lend it, send it, rolling along. We're in the money. We're in the money. We've got a lot of what it takes to get along. We're in the money. The skies are sunny. Old man depression, you are through. You've done us wrong.
We never see a headline about a bread line today.
And when we see the landlord, we look that guy right in the eye. We're in the money. Come on, my honey. Let's lend it, send it, rolling along.
Well, my good men,
We're not good men.
We're not a man.
come, what's the meaning of this?
It's mutiny.
Mutiny!
Yeah, it's mutiny.
1, 2. It's mutiny on the bounty.
Well, quiet, you mugs! I'm taking charge here, and it's for you, Captain. Over the side. What? Do you realize you guys are taking my ship?
What do you mean your ship? It belongs to the finance company.
Oh, sure.
Just a minute. Surrender your arms.
I'll get you for this. I'll get you if I have to hitch sail all the way to the mainland.